Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can set nickname in Instagram chat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, we're gonna go ahead, open up our Instagram first. Then we're gonna go to our chats on top right corner. Then I'm gonna tap on the chat where I would like to simply make the nickname 2 or 4. Then once I have opened up the chat, I'm going to tap on their icon, username icon on top, and I'm right over here. And now you can see I do have this option of nickname right away. I'm going to tap on that and I can see create nickname for you and your friends. Tap on OK, and now I can simply tap on her and write down a new nickname for her and can be done. Now if you have been watching it recently and you cannot find the option, that could be because the app is not updated. If you cannot see the option, you got to go to App Store. You got to go over there and you got to simply search Instagram, and you have to make sure that your app is updated. If your app is not updated, you will not be able to access the option. So make sure it's updated and tap on open and you're good to go. So that's basically it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.